You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this brand name, originally French? If you want to learn more luxury beauty brand names as well, make sure to stay tuned. That's a name of French art de vivre, French furniture. Roche Bobois is how it's said in French, okay? Roche, Roche, so CH in French is pronounced more like SH, just as in chic, you know. Roche Bobois, you could spell it BWA at the end. Bobois, the S is silent. So Roche Bobois, or in English, just say it as Roche Bobois. Roche Bobois. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.